Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what many musicians consider the best saxophone learning resource on the market. The Essential Elements for Band, E-Flat Alto Saxophone Book 1, featuring a beautiful brass lacquer finish that not only looks great but inspires pride in learning. Whether you're a beginner just picking up the alto sax or a band director choosing the right curriculum, this book sets the gold standard. Let's start with what makes it exceptional. The Essential Elements series has long been trusted by music educators around the world. And this E-Flat Alto Saxophone edition continues that legacy with a modern, comprehensive approach to learning. Inside the book, you'll find a blend of proven pedagogy and cutting-edge digital resources, making it the perfect guide for the 21st century student. The content begins with the very basics: how to properly assemble your instrument, hold it with the correct posture, and form a proper embouchure. This foundational training ensures new players avoid the common pitfalls that can slow progress or lead to bad habits. From there, the method carefully progresses into tone production, breathing, and finger technique. Lessons are paced to allow learners to grow steadily in both confidence and skill. What sets this book apart is its structure. Lessons are short, digestible, and come with immediate application through exercises and songs. A standout feature is the included access to Essential Elements Interactive, an online platform, where students can play along with professional accompaniment tracks, slow down difficult sections, and even record themselves for feedback. This digital support bridges the gap between practice at home and performance readiness. It also keeps students engaged, offering a more immersive and motivating practice environment. The song selection in the book is thoughtful and strategic. It mixes classic melodies with original exercises that focus on rhythm, articulation, and musical expression. As the student progresses, they also learn essential music theory, how to read key signatures, and play scales, gradually unlocking the language of music. Another huge plus is the emphasis on ensemble playing. The book includes duets, rounds, and full band arrangements designed to teach players how to listen and perform as part of a group. This mirrors real-life band scenarios, preparing students for school concerts, competitions, and community performances. Physically, the book is durable and designed for everyday use. The pages are clean, well laid out, and easy to follow. The visual elements like fingering charts, practice tips, and progress goals make it easy for learners to stay on track. What really seals the deal is that this isn't just a book, it's a complete learning ecosystem. Teachers can track progress, assign homework, and provide personalized feedback using the online tools. For independent learners, it offers the flexibility to grow at your own pace, while still feeling connected to a professional learning environment. So whether you're just getting started on your saxophone journey or looking to brush up on fundamentals in a structured, modern way, this is your go-to resource. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the best tools, instruments, and gear the music world has to offer. Until next time, keep practicing and stay inspired.